posture like Vajrasana, Padmasana, Virasana, Vajrasana. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Adopt Chin Mudra. Tip of your thumb with your tip of your index finger. Keep it on your knees. Close your eyes and mouth gently. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Slow and deep breath. And try to count mentally 5 breaths. Breathe in 1. Breathe out 1. Breathe in 2. Breathe out 2. Breathe in 3. Breathe out 3. Breathe in 4. Breathe out 4. Breathe in 5. Breathe out 5. And so on. And try to chant the mantra. So, hum. So is inhale. Hum is exhale. As you inhale, chant so mentally. As you exhale, chant hum. That will lead to you to full yogic breathing, which we are supposed to be the style of breathing which we have to adopt. Leave your awareness from your breath to your surrounding. Be aware of the noise around you. Be aware of the walls around you. Be aware of the windows. Be aware of the objects around you. Be aware of the air circulating around you. Slowly intensify your awareness to your body. Be aware of your whole body from head to toe. Be aware of your head. Any sensations in your head. Be aware of your shoulders. Any sensations in your shoulders. Arms. Your torso. Be aware of your right leg, left leg. Be aware of your whole body, which is rooted on the floor and it is growing up like a tree. Be aware of the balanced and synchronized body, which is rooted on the floor, which is in stillness and steadiness. Slowly move your awareness to your heart center and visualize a beautiful candlelight in your heart center. By visualizing the light, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Slowly and gently take your both the hands back, bend forward and offer Naman to Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Good evening all. Sit comfortably. Stretch both the legs forward. Today we'll practice PM1, that is Pavana Muktasana 1, which is good for your all the joints and for your rheumatism. It is good for your Vata management. Okay. First we will stretch our toes. 1. Breathe in back, breathe out, bend forward. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Ankle stretch, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Keep your both the hands firmly behind your back. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Rotate your ankle clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Fold your both the hands under your, take your both the hands, interlock your fingers under your right thigh. This is for your knee. Again, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Keep your left leg firmly on the ground. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Synchronize your breath with your movement. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Rotate clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Slowly fold your right leg. Keep your right foot on your left thigh. Keep it on your palm and hold your right knee with your cup of your palm and stretch your index finger so that you can draw a circle with your index finger and rotate clockwise. This is for your hip joint. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Reverse it. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax your right leg. Switch to left leg. Interlock your fingers under your left thigh. Keep your right leg firmly on the ground. Do not move your right leg. Fix it on the ground. Okay? Yes. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Rotate clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, rotate. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Fold it. Keep your left foot on your right palm. Hold your left knee with your left palm and stretch your index finger. Rotate clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Reverse, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Slowly fold both the legs to Titli Asana, butterfly posture. Bounce sideways. Either hold your toes or hold your knees sideways and bounce it. Start. 1, dynamic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right Akshay, 15, 16, press it sideways, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your back straight. Slowly hold your toes and push your chest forward. Start bending forward. 1, 2, keep your elbows down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Be there and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale, come to center, exhale, relax. Slowly bounce your legs and either sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana or Padmasana. We'll move on to the next practice to the upper body. Stretch your both the hands forward. Breathe in, breathe out, make a fist. When you're making a fist, try to touch your thumb to your base of your small finger. That will take care of your anything related to your lungs problem. Okay? Breathe in, gently press it. Breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Make a fist and rotate clockwise. Same to the same side. Breathe in and breathe out, rotate. Only wrist. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Wrist. 1, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Again, for elbows, see, all this looks very simple but very effective. Many times we just ignore these small joints, right? So we need to strengthen these joints. For that, this PM1 helps you. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Hold it, shoulder rotation. Start. Join your elbows, breathe in up, breathe out, rotate. Join your shoulder blades, open your chest, breathe in, do it with awareness. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, observing each movement. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Reverse, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Up and down, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Next practice, we move on to the neck. Rotate clockwise. Slowly. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Right and left. Breathe in center, breathe out, right. Turn to right. Breathe in center, breathe out, left. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Up and down, look up, breathe in, breathe out, lock your chin. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Slowly lie down on your stomach. We'll work out for our back pain management. Slowly sleep on your stomach. Stretch both the hands forward in Ardhasana. Keep your forehead on the ground. Just relax in this posture for few seconds. Slowly come to Sthiti, Ardha Bhujangasana. Fold your both the hands. Keep your elbows closer to your rib cage. Complete palm on the ground. This is good for your back pain management and lumbar lordosis problem. And those who sit for longer time on the chair, they should practice this regularly. Okay? Breathe in up, lift your upper body. Breathe out, down. Synchronize your breathing with your movement and do it with awareness. If you are comfortable, close your eyes. Senior practitioners, close your eyes and practice. Do it with awareness. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and hold with normal breathing. Meditate on your spine. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow and deep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly keep your move your hands further down to Purna Bhujangasana. Keep your palm completely closer to your chest. Keep your toe balls on or stretch it, or separate your legs if you have back pain, or join your legs, whichever is convenient. Breathe in up. Don't stretch your elbow. Breathe out, down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And hold with normal breathing. Close your eyes and meditate on your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly take your both the hands behind your back. Sarpasana. Interlock your fingers. Stretch it up. First rise your hands and then lift your upper body. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. First hands and upper body. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, close your eyes. 3, 4, 5, breathe slow and deep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Make a fist of your hands. Keep it under your thighs. Ekapada Shalavasana. We'll start from our left hand side. Rise your left leg at 30 degrees. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, breathe in, breathe out. Left, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in up and hold. Either hold at 30 degrees or fold your right leg and give support with your right foot and rest your left knee on your sole of your right foot. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not twist your hip. 5, breathe. 6, close your eyes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in and breathe out. Opposite leg, rise it up. Those who can't rise more than this, just hold it at this level. Till you have you get the same benefit. Up and hold. 1, 2, keep your chin down, look forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly fold both the legs. Dhanurasana. Catch hold of your ankles. Beginners, if you can't, just fold it and just do Bhujangasana posture. Otherwise, catch hold of your ankle, hold it, keep your knees little closer if possible. Breathing up, balance on your navel. Breathe out, down. Knees off the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Join your shoulder blades. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly release your legs and slowly flip to your back. Sleep on your back. Next practice, we'll move on to Pavanamuktasana Kriya. Pavanamuktasana Kriya is good for gastrointestinal disorder, bloated stomach, and to give a nice massage to your back and to reduce your abdominal fat. Slowly stretch your both the hands back. Inhale, slowly raise your right leg up. Exhale, fold it. Hug your both right leg. Interlock your fingers on your shin bone and lift your head up. Touch your forehead to your right knee. If you have neck issue, don't lift your head. Otherwise, lift your head, hug your legs tightly and hold and raise your left leg up and rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 with normal breathing. 5, 6, 7. Make a big round of circle. 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. First release your left leg. Slowly raise your right leg. Inhale and then exhale. Take bandirtira aage vapas hogbeku. Stretch your hands again up. Slowly raise your left leg up. Inhale, exhale, fold it and hug it. Interlock your fingers on your shin bone. Lift your head up and touch your forehead or chin or nose to your left knee. And raise your right leg up and rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hug it tightly. 5. Squeeze your abdomen. 6. But don't hold your breath. 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. First release your right leg, raise your left leg, inhale and then exhale. Now we'll move on to variation 2, Pavana Muktasana Kriya. That is, Pavana is air, Mukta is to get rid, Kriya is a technique. So to get rid of the wind from our body, we are using all these techniques. Rise both the legs up, inhale, up, exhale, fold it, hug it, and rock yourself front and back. Those who have back pain, avoid rocking. Just do sideways rolling. Okay? Yes. Start 20 count. Try to stand on your feet and lift your buttocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Try to stand on your feet and lift your buttocks. 17, 18, 19, 20. Sideways rolling. Start. Right. 1. And turn your head from down to opposite side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale, rise it up 90 degrees. Exhale, down. Now we'll move on to the fourth variation. You have to exhale forcefully by hugging your both the legs. Those who don't understand, watch 2-3 times and then you can continue your practice. Stretch your both the hands back. Stretch your legs. Inhale, be there. When I say exhale, you have to bring your knees closer to your chest, hug your legs, and exhale forcefully and contract your abdomen. Squeeze your abdomen. Okay? Yes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, forceful exhalation. Exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. Hold. Hold with normal breathing. Lift your head up. Those who have BP, don't hold your breath. Otherwise, hold your breath. Squeeze your abdomen. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Don't breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to sitting posture. Stretch your right hand back. Turn to your right. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Slowly take your left hand support and come to sitting posture. Stretch both the legs forward. Paschimottanasana. Relax for a few seconds. Next practice, we'll move on to Paschimottanasana. Rise both the hands up. Inhale, stretch your spine. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Catch hold of your toes and push your body back. Okay? Keep your body straight and look forward. Hold with normal breathing. Those who have more flexibility, bend forward and touch your forehead to your knee. 1. Hold with normal breathing. Again, this is good for your digestive system and for your reproductive system. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those who have back pain, don't bend too much. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly fold your right leg, fold your left leg. Ustrasana, Ardha Ustrasana. So stand on your knees, stretch your both the hands sideways. First we'll practice Ardha Ustrasana. Either stretch your toes this way or be on your toe balls, whichever is convenient. Keep your knees closer. Breathe in center, breathe out, twist to right and stretch your left hand forward. Observe your left middle finger. Hold your same heel or opposite heel, whichever is convenient, and push your stomach forward. Keep your thighs perpendicular to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do lower abdominal breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Normal breathing. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in center, breathe out, twist to your left and hold right hand, adopt Chin Mudra and observe your right middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Breathe in center, breathe out, relax. Now we will do Purna Ustrasana. First variation I will show you. Hold your hip. Those who can't do Purna Ustrasana. Variation 1, simple one. Breathe in center, breathe out, stretch back. Just hold this much. Otherwise, those who are senior practitioners can do it. Stretch both the hands forward. Breathe in, breathe out. And hold. And push your stomach forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Open your chest nicely. 15. Good for your respiratory system. And back pain management and neck pain management. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in, center, breathe out, relax. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Fold your right leg. Tuck your right feet under your left thigh and fold your left leg upward position. Keep your left leg by the side of your right thigh. Keep your left hand at the back. So simple one, I will show you. Just hug your leg right like this and Twist your spine and observe your left hand side shoulder with normal breathing. Otherwise, raise your right hand up. Inhale, twist it around your left leg and catch hold of your ankle and hold with normal breathing. Squeeze your abdomen, hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, good for diabetes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Now change the leg, stretch both the legs first, go systematically, fold it, drop it and then tuck it under your right thigh. Fold your right leg, keep your right hand at the back. First do simple one, beginners. Hug it tightly and squeeze your abdomen and observe your right hand side shoulder. Otherwise, hold. This way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure both the shoulders are on one line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Breathe, breathe. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly stretch both the legs forward. Flap it. Rock yourself and come to standing posture. Without taking your hand support, try to stand up. Those who can't do, relax. Yes, try to get up without taking your hand support. Yes, little will stretch. Tadasana, interlock your fingers on your head. Keep your feet together. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. We move on to Surya Namaskara. Mysore style of Surya Namaskara. Yes. 3 rounds Surya Namaskara, 3 rounds Chandra Namaskara. Beginners, please sit and watch. Okay? Whichever postures you can do, you can just follow. Otherwise, you can sit and watch. Join your palm, close your eyes, relax and calm down your mind. Take few slow and deep breaths and chant mentally Soham. Visualize a beautiful Surya in your heart center and making you more energetic. You're inhaling all positive energy and exhaling all the negative energy from your body. By visualizing a beautiful Surya, we'll chant the mantra Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyashapihitam Mukham Tattvam Poshannapavruno Satyadharmaya Dushtaye Om Bhram Mitraya Namaha. First round, we will do slow round for beginners to catch up the postures. Hold for 5 count. Namaskarasana. Observe your heart center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udvasana. Stretch back and hold. Observe your throat center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spine. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vipadasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale. Sit back on your heels and touch your forehead. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1. Roll your shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udvasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Hold. Another half round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udvasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vipadasana. Keep your body parallel to the ground. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shashankasana. Inhale and then exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bhujangasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Padahastasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Udvasana. Inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskarasana. Exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round. Udvasana. Inhale. Padahastasana. Exhale. Right leg. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Udarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Udarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Udarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. Udvasana. Padahastasana. Ekapadasana. Vipadasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Udarasana. Ekapadasana. Padahastasana. Namaskarasana. relax. Another 3 rounds. We will do Chandra Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is 12 steps. Chandra Namaskara is 14 steps. Surya Namaskara will heat up your body and Chandra Namaskara will cool your body. Stand in the front. Bring some water if you want. Don't be dehydrated. If you are tired, do Mukhalati. Separate your legs. Bend forward. Inhale through nose and blow it from your mouth. While blowing, contract your stomach. Yes, come to Sthiti. Stand in the front. 3 rounds of Chandra Namaskara. Left hand side is Chandra Nadi. Right hand side is Surya Nadi. Join your palm. Close your eyes and visualize a beautiful moon in your heart center, which is indicating peace and harmony. Slowly open your eyes. Pranamasana. Beginners can sit and watch. Hasta Uttana. Pada Hastasana. Left leg back. Stretch your left leg back. Ashvasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Raise your both the hands up. Join your palm and observe your palm. Stretch back nicely. Parvatasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Don't stretch your elbow, bend your elbow. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Ardha Chandrasana. Inhale and hold. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Another half round. Pranamasana. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Stretch your right leg back. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Parvatasana. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Left leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Second round. Left leg back. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Parvatasana. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Right leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Right leg back. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Parvatasana. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Left leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Hold your breath. Ardha Chandrasana. Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Last round. Hasta Uttana. Be there. Breathe, breathe. Padahastasana. Left leg, Ashvasanchalana. Ardhachandrasana. Parvatasana. Keep your heels down. Push your head down, lock your chin. Feel the stretching on your calf muscles. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Right leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Hold the breath. Ardha Chandrasana. Padahastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale. Another half round. Have dharya. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Padahastasana. Exhale. Right leg back. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your breath. Parvatasana. Exhale. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Left leg forward. Ashvasanchalana. Inhale. Ardha Chandrasana. Exhale and hold. Padahastasana. Exhale. Hasta Uttana. Inhale. Pranamasana. Exhale and relax. Relax completely. Do slow and deep breathing. You will be fine. If you are breathless, do Mukadauti. Once you are relaxed, lie down on your back. Next practice, last practice, Sarvangasana, Matsyasana, and then Shavasana. Go for it. Tuck your t-shirt inside. Sleep on your back. Beginners, you can just do Setu Bandhasana, that is bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana or Khandarasana. Khandara is shoulder stand. So whichever is convenient, sleep on your back. Relax completely until your heartbeat comes to normal. Just relax. Try to watch your breath and slow and deep breaths. Yes. I hope you are all relaxed. So, beginners, just fold your legs and catch hold of your ankles. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose or Khandar Asana. So, rise your buttocks up and hold with normal breathing. Good for your digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, and for back pain management. Okay, just hold this much. However long you can, with normal breathing, do not tense any of your muscles. And rest of you, those who can do Sarvangasana, go for it. Rise both the legs up. Roll your slowly. Push your spine towards the ceiling and hold your backbone. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Breathe, breathe. Close your eyes. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Slowly fold your knees, bring it closer to your forehead and relax. Very good. Go for fish pose. Matsyasana. Those who can put Padmasana, put it while sleeping. Otherwise, do Sarala Matsyasana. Roll your head inside and lift your chest up and hold. Little advance, you can rise both the hands, stretch it forward and legs up. Otherwise, keep it down. Hold. 1, open your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Slowly relax the posture and go to Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Your palm facing the ceiling. Fingers curled. Relax and surrender your body to the ground. Shavasana is a Antaranga yoga. When you are in Shavasana, there is no bodily movement. Your whole body is just lying on the ground like a dead body with conscious breathing. Slowly watch your breath. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಒಳಹೋಗುವ ಹೊರಬರುವ ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. As you inhale, feel the fresh air going inside. As you exhale, feel the warm air coming out of your body. And as you inhale, feel the expansion of your body. As you exhale, feel the contraction of your body. Slowly move your awareness from your breath to the body. And try to give instant relaxation to those body parts, whichever I mentioned, without any bodily movement. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your kneecap. Relax your thighs. Relax your buttock muscles. Relax your hip joint. Relax your pelvic. Relax your genitals. Relax your spine. Relax your backbone. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your forearms, armpit, elbows, wrist, palm, fingers. Relax your chest muscles. Relax your diaphragm. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your throat. Relax your neck. Relax your facial muscles. A gentle and a beautiful smile on your face. Relax your head region. Relax your back of your head. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet. And enjoy the relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your whole body, mind, and soul. Slowly and gently bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes, move your fingers, move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Fold your left leg, raise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Sit back in Padmasana, Vajrasana, Virasana, whichever is convenient. Forget Sukhasana now. Okay? So just sit in whichever meditative posture is convenient. Left hand, Chin Mudra, tip of your thumb and index, Surya Bhedana Pranayama, which is good for your cold, cough and fever. Okay? Right hand, Vishnu Mudra, keep your index and middle finger on your eyebrow center. Close your left nostril with your ring finger. Open your right nostril. Inhale through right. Close your right with your thumb. Exhale through left. Again inhale through right. Exhale through left. This is also good for weight loss. It generates heat in your body. Again inhale through right. Drink lots of water after this. Exhale through left. 1:1 ratio. Now continue. Okay. Because senior practitioners, you can continue. Beginners, you can follow me. Follow my instruction. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. No sound, effortless breathing, normal and natural breathing. Don't tense your muscles. Inhale through right again. Exhale through left. ಬಲದ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಉಸಿರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಲದ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಡದ ಕಡೆ ಉಸಿರು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. This is also good for depression. Depression patient, they have to practice this 27 rounds before breakfast, before lunch and before dinner. Then they can see the benefits. Don't tense your muscles. Keep it completely relaxed. It is just a normal and natural breathing. You are not putting an effort to breathe, right? So just normal breathing. Let it be very rhythmic, systematic and smooth. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ರಿದಮಿಕ್ and soundless ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Relax and stop the practice. Next practice, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Same mudra, left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra, 9 rounds. So senior practitioners, you can start 1:1. Beginners, just follow my instruction. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through left. Close your left with your ring finger. Exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Exhale through left. This pranayama can be practiced by anyone, anytime. Again inhale through left. Exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Exhale through left. That becomes 2 rounds. Continue for 3 more rounds for beginners. For senior practitioners, total 9 rounds. Count mentally how many seconds you are able to inhale and exhale. Again inhale through left. Exhale through right. Again inhale through right. Exhale through left. 3 rounds. So don't tense your muscles, soundless, effortless breathing. Do not tense your muscles. Do not strain your lungs and no jerk in your breathing. And you should not feel your breath below your lips. That smooth it should be. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. You should enjoy that. Okay, when you are practicing pranayama. So this should be practiced regularly. This will improve your immunity power also. This will boost your immunity. And it should be practiced regularly. Make it a part of your life. Before going to bed, 100% you have to practice this. So food for your body and pranayama for your prana shakti. Right? So no food for your body. If you are not practicing pranayama, then don't give food for your body. That should be the rules. So you better practice regularly. This will improve your immunity. Relax and stop the practice. It is balancing pranayama, alternative nostril pranayama also. Relax and stop the practice. Observe your whole body. Observe your both the nostrils. You have balanced your both the nostrils. Keep your back, neck, spine in one straight line. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. Scan your whole body from head to toe. We'll wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.